Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your hired recruiter account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start connecting with qualified tech candidates. Step 1. Visit hired.com and click on Sign In or For Employers in the navigation menu. Step 2. Log in using the credentials you created when you registered your recruiter account. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see your recruiter dashboard. Look for any verification notifications or onboarding prompts. Step 4. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or company name in the top right corner. Step 5. Select Account Settings or Company Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Hired requires email verification for all recruiter accounts. If your email is not verified, click on Verify Email or Resend verification email. Step 7. Check your work email inbox for a verification message from Hired with a subject line like Verify your hired account. Step 8. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address. This will redirect you to Hired and complete the email verification. Step 9. To fully verify your company and recruiter status, you'll need to provide company information including company name, website, industry, and size. Step 10. Upload company documentation if requested, such as business registration, company website verification, or proof of employment. Step 11. Verify your professional identity by ensuring your work email domain matches your company's official domain. Hired may require additional verification for certain email domains. Step 12. Complete your recruiter profile by adding your job title, department, and professional details to help candidates understand who you are. Step 13. Hired's team may conduct a manual review of your account to verify your company and recruiter credentials. This process can take 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll have full access to candidate profiles and can start sending interview requests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.